Every year I like to dig up a little bit of my lawn and make new beds. That's a lot of work to dig up grass by hand, so I wanted to look at two different methods of doing it a lot easier. If you look right here, I've piled, in the fall, I piled a lot of leaves in this corner and just let nature take its course. All I have to do now is rake it away, and you can see the grass is dead underneath. It'll be a lot easier to remove that grass now, or I can just plant straight into it. That's one method. I wanted to connect this corner to incorporate this newly planted tree. Luckily, I have these giant sheets of cardboard because we just had a piece of furniture delivered, so rather than recycling them, I'm going to put them to better use. There was tape, there were some shipping labels. You really want to make sure you take it all off because that's not going to break down. This in between my tree. I'll add a couple more pieces, make sure that everything's layered. Some topsoil on top. I'll completely cover this with soil and then I'll cover it with mulch. Over the course of the year, this is going to break down. This paper will break down and just incorporate itself into the bed. Next year, I will have a brand new bed where I can add to it and I won't have to mow or weed whack around my newly planted tree. Here's the bed covered with compost. On top of that cardboard, you can see the last little bit of the cardboard peeking out, so we'll finish this up and then top dress with mulch. And here is our final product.